Here's a question I get asked quite often. What is the definition of software? Well, we can think of software using my favorite analogy, which is it's a box. This is my software. And we take some user input. The software does something with the user input, and it outputs whatever the output is. Numbers, strings, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. So that's all software is. It's just simply a box that takes inputs and gives out outputs. And it probably helps to think of software in really old school terms. If you had a factory and you were putting in things like iron in, you were putting workers in there, you were putting water and electricity. Well, what comes out of it? You would get steel. So this is an input and this is an output. And software is absolutely no different to that. Software is simply inputs, processing, outputs. Now, where people get a little confused as to what exactly software is the name itself. It's soft. And software, the antonym of it, is hardware. So in the factory example, we had physical items. But in the software world, we've got all of these ones and zeros flying around that we hear so often about. And you don't have to worry about these ones and zeros. We never see them as programmers. They are just in the background. It's what our code gets translated to. So that's all software is, a system that takes inputs and gives you outputs.